Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today we're taking a look at the incredible LEOSO UD1607Pro Brushless RC car. This 1/16th scale beast is packed with power and performance, making it the ultimate choice for any adult RC car enthusiast. First off, let's talk about the upgraded rechargeable battery. With 3 PCS of upgraded 1500 mAh batteries, you can experience longer and uninterrupted gaming time, with each battery lasting 15-20 minutes. Plus, the included 3-line charging cable allows you to charge all 3 batteries at the same time, keeping you in the action. The 2435 brushless motor with a maximum speed of 60 km/h will give you the thrill of drifting like never before. And with ball bearings throughout, you'll experience reduced friction and boosted transmission efficiency. But that's not all. This car comes with 2 kinds of tires, allowing you to experience both on-road speed racing and drifting modes. The 4WD system ensures stable traction on various terrains, and the anti-skid and wear-resistant vacuum tires will take you places you never thought possible. With the 4GHZ remote control system, you can achieve long control distance and strong anti-interference ability, allowing multiple cars to play without signal interference. Plus, the integrated brushless S-CAN receiver with Gyro ensures smooth and precise control. And if you have any questions or issues with your UD1607 Pro, the customer service team is ready to assist you. They're committed to providing a satisfactory solution within 24 hours and are willing to offer a 100% refund or replacement if there's a quality problem. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the LEOSO UD1607 Pro Brushless RC car and experience the ultimate in speed, control, and excitement. Don't miss out on this incredible RC car. It's a game changer for any adult RC car enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech reviews from Tech24.